Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys 4 super cute white skirts. So white skirts are skirts that we really need in our wardrobe because these can be styled with literally everything, even with your ethnic outfits. And I feel like they are so very important, especially for the summers, because they keep you so comfortable. So if you are interested in this, let's get into the video. But before we do, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel if you like my videos. And if you like this video, these skirts are all under 1200 rupees. I'll mention the price on the thumbnail and on the caption so you all will know. So let's get into the video now.
Starting off with this cutest mini skirt which has shorts inside it. So if you have a problem with what to wear under mini skirts, that is solved with this one. I absolutely love the chiffly design that it has going on throughout it and also on the bottom parts of the shorts. It's not too short either, but if you're a taller girl, it'll probably be just the right mini skirt size on you. This one is made up of cotton. It's very comfortable, airy and breathable, very soft and smooth on the skin, not itchy at all. I got it in a size medium and it fits me perfectly. The waist has elastic on all sides. At the price, it's a really cute mini skirt that you can wear on dates, with your girlfriends, with your boyfriend, wear it to little picnics and to libraries, etc. However, mini skirts don't look that flattering on my body. I already do have a few which I don't get to wear anyways, so I'll be returning this one. Next up is a super cute skirt in lace work. I have been wanting lace skirts from quite some time now, but all of them were so unnecessarily expensive for the quality they were providing that I really couldn't get one. This one is a midi skirt, but it looks quite maxi on me and I love how it looks. Sometimes being a little tiny person comes handy, I guess. I love the quality, I love the fit, I love how it looks on me. It's made up of polyester, but it's very airy and breathable, not itchy at all. It's very soft and smooth on the skin. I got it in a size medium and it fits me perfectly. It has a very thin elastic all around the waist. At the price, it's really good and I'm totally going to be keeping this one. Next up is this beautiful skirt. It's a maxi length white skirt with chiffly details again, and I absolutely love chiffly. I have another white eared maxi skirt in chiffly, but it's like very long on me. That one is pretty much for taller girls, but I love that one because I can wear it with heels. But this one I can wear it with flats, with sneakers, and it fits me just the right size. This one is made up of cotton and it's very comfortable, airy and breathable, not itchy at all. It's very soft and smooth on the skin. I absolutely love the quality. I got it in a size medium and it fits me perfectly. There are so many different ways I can style this one and the lace skirt that I showed you. I'm so very excited. I'm totally gonna keep this one. Next up is this beautiful skirt. This one is a midi skirt, but as usual it fits maxi on me and I love it. This skirt is so sophisticated yet so playful. There are so many different ways I can style this skirt, I can only imagine it. It has a plain front waist and elastic on the back part. It has 2 pockets which I absolutely love. The flare is so very extra, so feminine. It's made up of polyester, but it's very comfortable, airy and breathable, not itchy at all. It's very soft and smooth and very comfortable on the skin. I got it in a size medium and it fits me perfectly. I'm totally going to be keeping this one as well.
So guys, that was it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching it and benefited from it. If you have any other video suggestions, requests, comment that down below and I will see you guys in my next. Till then, take care. Bye bye.